Should you buy or sell the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF? Today, we're delving deep into the ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 8, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and enable notifications so you stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 19, 2023, our system has ranked ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 8.57. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. For those who followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 55.55% since we first listed ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF as a buy candidate 55 days ago. This means an average return of 1.01% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund, ETF, is currently in the lower part of a strong rising trend in the short term. This presents a promising buying opportunity for investors. However, if the lower trend floor at $22.51 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and possibly a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend analysis, there is a potential 48.11% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 45.93% to 59.01%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected 24.99% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return ranging from -22.23% to 16.59%. If all goes well, the price could reach a range of $17.77 to $26.64 after 1 year. Our latest update for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF brings you exciting news. The price of the ETF surged by 6.78% on Monday, reaching $22.85. During the trading day, the ETF experienced some fluctuations, ranging from a low of $21.75 to a high of $23.05. Despite some recent dips, the price has still managed to rise by 6.38% over the past 2 weeks. In addition, the volume of shares traded on Monday increased, aligning with the positive price movement. A total of 12 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to approximately $801.39 million in transactions. Looking back at the past year, the ETF reached its highest price at $23.05, while the lowest price was recorded at $10.85. Currently, the price is 0.86% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $0.198. Furthermore, the price is 48.41% below the all-time high of $44.29, which was reached on November 10, 2021. Let's discuss the signals for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. The ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is above the long-term average, confirming a general buy signal. In case of corrections, there is support at $21.40 and $20.46. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Monday, December 11, 2023, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 13.12% rise so far. The rising volume along with the price is considered a good technical signal. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also been identified, which may have an impact on the short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 19 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe. The short moving average shows a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 49 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. On the downside, this ETF has support levels just below today's level. The first support is at $18.45, and if that is broken, the next support will be at $17.74. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a risk of it falling to the next support level. So, if $18.45 is broken, the ETF may drop to $17.74 and even further to $17.18. This ETF is known for its good trading volume and experiences minor daily changes, which means the risk is considered to be low. In the last day, it had a price range of $1.30, 5.97%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 3.96%. Today, we'll be discussing the potential day trading levels for ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. When analyzing the stock, we can see that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly. As a trader, you can consider entering a position and use volume as a tool to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF encounters its first support level at $18.45. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.65, which is a decrease of 5.24%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was discovered 18 days ago. Is ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF a good buy? ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin is showing several positive signals and is currently in a strong rising trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, January 9th, we anticipate ProShares Trust, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF to open down $0.301 and start trading at $22.55. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We would love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.